In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Lucidchart diagram. Whether you're new to Lucidchart or just need a quick refresher on managing your diagrams, this guide will walk you through the process efficiently. Let's begin by heading over to the Lucidchart website. Once you're there, the first step is to log into your account. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page. This is where all your documents are neatly organized and readily accessible. Take a moment to look around this dashboard. You'll notice a comprehensive list of various documents that you've been working on or have access to. When you're ready, click on the Documents tab. This will give you an overview of all the diagrams and files at your disposal, making it easy to locate the file you want to duplicate. Now, scroll through your collection and select the specific file by clicking on Open File. This action will bring you into the editing interface, granting you a full view and control of your chosen diagram. With the diagram open, direct your focus to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here, you will find the File option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for and select the Make a Copy option. This feature is particularly useful if you wish to make adjustments to an existing diagram while preserving the original version. After selecting Make a Copy, a dialog box will appear. You'll be prompted to enter a new name for your copied diagram. It's always wise to label it with a memorable name for future reference. Once you've settled on a fitting name, simply click OK, and voila! The duplication process is complete. Now, for those who prefer working directly from the dashboard, there's an alternative method. Head back to your main Documents view by clicking Back. Find the diagram you wish to duplicate and hover over it. On the right-hand side of the file name, you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear. Click on these dots to display another drop-down menu. From there, look for the Copy option and click on it. This method efficiently clones your file, ensuring the original version remains unchanged. After completing the cloning process, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your file has been successfully copied. And just like that, you've mastered duplicating a Lucidchart diagram using 2 straightforward methods. I trust that this tutorial was helpful and demonstrated how easily you can manage and organize your diagrams on Lucidchart. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.